How's it going? Mike Doherty with ThermaShield, sprayedcork.com. We just had our forest fire. The people that had the ThermaShield coated home escaped alive. This house here, we had a little bit of technical difficulties, of course, with the phone ringing during our YouTube video. So it was very clear in our video that we just previously filmed right here. The house started getting soft with a very small fire, and it immediately combusted and it went up in flames. And we had to spread our fire. We gave our forest fire a little wind by moving it so that it would grow faster. Something indicative of a forest fire for this next house, as it spread from one house to the next. The fire got incredibly hot by the time the ThermaShield finally flashed. The flames were, I don't know, this high, and eventually it got past the point of the fire retardant capabilities, and it flashed just as anything will, even metal burns. So the cork finally caught fire once it was incredibly hot, at a point where this other house had already melted into a puddle. The coating was finally catching on this one, and you can see it blistering for a while before it flashed, but it never lost any structure. Once the fire department came in here, which was us, which was with our hose because we didn't want the real fire department here. If you saw the video, it was pretty incredible that this house isn't even soft anywhere. It lost no structural integrity at all. Whereas this one is in a puddle. That's it.